Lehle ngomyinge we-3.1%, izinga labafundi abaphumelele iimviwo zebanga lematriki ebezibhalwa kulonyaka uphelileyo laya kutsho kwi-81% xa kuthelekiswa nomnyaka ka-2018. Iphondo laseFreyistata linkqenkqeza phambili nge-88.4% kwiziphumo zemviwo ebezibhalwa kulonyaka uphelileyo zebanga lematriki. Iphondo laseLimpopo lisemsileni ngomyinge we-73.2%, kanti iziphumo zizakhutshwa ezinzulwini zobusuku banamhlanje.
The leading province for 2019 is the Free State at 88.4. They had congratulations. They achieved an improvement of 0.9%. Gauteng achieved 87.2 with a decline of 0.7 from last year. Northwest, for the first time, you've been wanting to be in the top 3. Northwest is at 86.8 with an improvement of 5.6%. Western Cape achieved 82.3 with an improvement of 0.8%. KZN achieved 81.3 with an improvement of 5.1. No, number 5. Oh. This is a bigger system. They have the highest number of learners. It's rural, so for me it's a big feat that KZN is already carrying its own. So you're an elephant running with rabbits and keeping pace with them. Mpumalanga achieved 80.3% with an improvement of 1.4%. Eastern Cape, futatukat. Eastern Cape and Northern Cape tied at 76.5. Eastern Cape had an improvement of 5.9%. That's the highest improvement, the highest. And Northern Cape improved with 3.2%. And Tatamta province, Limpopo, achieved, so which will say numbers, they achieved 73.2% and had an improvement of 3.8%, which is a big achievement. So as we can see, all our provinces performed above 70%, which is what I think all of us have been wishing for. And I really want to commend Mpumalanga, KwaZulu-Natal, Western Cape, Northwest, Free State, and Gauteng for maintaining their 80% performance status. Northwest has joined the club, so that's fine. Of the top 3, that's fine. But we also want, it's good that Elsuf, you've given him back his title. We want to congratulate the Free State for reclaiming their title from Gauteng. But also wish to really applaud the Eastern Cape. I said they had the highest improvement at 5.9, followed by Northwest. It also had the highest improvement, and KwaZulu-Natal, which I say is the biggest system in our sector. So again, we want to congratulate them for this massive, above 5% improvement in the 2019 results. So which brings me to, you want to know total, because, okay. So as I said, this year, no province performed below 70%. And if I was dramatic, I would say, dang. 2019 results, 81.3%.